Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance 215 Good Feeling. The song is Feel So Good. The artist is Kelly Price. The choreography is Earl Miller. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video, and also check out the choreographer. Guys, I would like to personally invite you to 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, Louisiana, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website for detailed information at www.lmiunola.com. And here we go. And there you go. 215 Good Feeling. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend. We are celebrating our 10th year anniversary. July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website at www.lmiunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.